Soften your jaw, relax your shoulders, and breathe into your feet. Inhale, I love myself unconditionally. Exhale. Breathe into your calves. I love myself unconditionally. Exhale. And as you exhale, remind yourself to keep on loving yourself without any conditions. Breathe into your thighs. I love myself unconditionally. And as you exhale, remind yourself to keep on loving yourself without any conditions. Breathe into your hips. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your palace. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your fingers. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your palms. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your arms. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your breasts. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe deep into your heart. I love myself unconditionally. And exhale. Breathe into your lips and your ears and your mind. Anytime you might have judged yourself, just release it like chains falling off of your body. I love myself unconditionally. Inhale to your toes. Exhale. Inhale to your calves. Exhale. Inhale to your thighs. Exhale. Inhale to your hips. Exhale. Inhale to your core. Exhale. Inhale to your palace. And then to your breasts. Exhale. Inhale to your fingers. Exhale. Inhale to your arms. Exhale. One last inhale throughout your entire body. And as you breathe in, imagine your breath touching your toes, your calves, your thighs, your fingers, your arms, your breast, your heart, and everywhere that breath touches. We're going to spend a moment and we're going to unconditionally love yourself just a little bit deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I love you unconditionally because you are all of you and even more.